The Pacific Ocean, vast and deep, a blue world unto itself. It covers 1/3 of our planet. That's larger than all the continents combined. Its depths hold mysteries. Trenches plunge miles down, darker than night. Volcanoes rise from the seabed, unseen by human eyes. This is a place of extremes, yet the Pacific is also teeming with life. From microscopic plankton to giant squid, its waters hold a dazzling array of creatures. It's a vital part of our Earth system. The Pacific influences our weather. It helps regulate our climate. Its currents carry warm water and rain, shaping life across the globe. We must understand this ocean to protect it. Dive beneath the surface and you enter a different world. Sunlight fades and strange creatures appear. The Pacific is home to an incredible diversity of life. In the sunlit shallows, coral reefs burst with color. Fish, big and small, dart among the coral. Sharks patrol their territory. Turtles glide peacefully by. Further down in the twilight zone, things get stranger. Bioluminescent creatures light up the darkness. Jellyfish pulsate with an eerie glow. Squid with huge eyes hunt for prey. The deep sea is the Pacific's biggest mystery. Down here, life finds a way to thrive in the crushing pressure and perpetual darkness. We are still discovering new species all the time. The Pacific is a constant source of wonder. Its sheer variety of life is a testament to the power of nature. The deepest parts of the Pacific are like another planet. These regions are so remote and unexplored that they hold mysteries beyond our wildest imaginations. The Mariana Trench, a scar on the ocean floor, plunges deeper than Mount Everest is tall. This trench is the deepest known part of the world's oceans, reaching depths of nearly 36,000 feet. Down there, the pressure is immense. It's over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level, making it a hostile environment for most life forms. Submersibles, like tiny spaceships, have ventured into this alien realm. These advanced vehicles are designed to withstand the crushing pressures and allow scientists to explore the depths. They've revealed creatures adapted to the extreme conditions: fish with transparent skin, crabs with spindly legs. These organisms have evolved unique adaptations to survive in such an inhospitable environment. Hydrothermal vents, spewing hot water and chemicals, create oases of life on the seafloor. These vents are like underwater geysers, providing heat and nutrients in an otherwise cold and barren landscape. Bacteria thrive here, forming the base of a unique food chain. These microorganisms convert the chemicals from the vents into energy, supporting a diverse array of life. Tube worms, giant clams, and blind shrimp gather around these vents. These creatures rely on the bacteria for sustenance, creating a complex and interdependent ecosystem. Exploring the abyss is a challenge. The extreme conditions and remote locations make it difficult for scientists to study these areas. But it's vital to understand these ecosystems. They offer insights into the resilience of life and the potential for discovering new species. They hold clues to the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life on other planets. Studying these extreme environments can help us understand how life might exist elsewhere in the universe. The deep sea reminds us that the Pacific is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Each expedition brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of this final frontier. Coral reefs are the rainforest of the sea. These underwater marvels are teeming with life and color, creating a vibrant tapestry that is both beautiful and essential to marine ecosystems. Though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support 25% of all marine life. This means that 1/4 of all ocean species depend on coral reefs for their survival, making these ecosystems incredibly important. These vibrant ecosystems are vital to the health of the Pacific. They act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from the impact of waves and storms, and they also support local economies through tourism and fishing. Corals are not plants, but tiny animals. These small creatures, known as polyps, work together to build the intricate structures that form coral reefs. They build their skeletons out of calcium carbonate, creating the complex structures we call reefs. Over time, these structures grow and expand, providing a habitat for a diverse array of marine life. These reefs provide food and shelter for countless species. Fish, crustaceans, and other marine animals find refuge among the coral branches, creating a bustling underwater community. Fish use the coral for camouflage. The intricate structures of the reef offer hiding spots that help fish evade predators and hunt for their own prey. Sharks hunt among the reefs. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by keeping fish populations in check. Sea turtles graze on the algae that grow on the coral. By feeding on the algae, they help keep the reef healthy and prevent the algae from overgrowing and smothering the coral. Reefs are bustling hubs of activity. From the smallest shrimp to the largest fish, every creature plays a role in the complex web of life that exists within these underwater cities. But coral reefs are under threat. Human activities and environmental changes are putting immense pressure on these delicate ecosystems. Pollution, rising sea temperatures, and ocean acidification are causing them to bleach and die. When corals bleach, they lose the symbiotic algae that give them color and energy, leading to their eventual death if conditions do not improve. We must act now to protect these fragile ecosystems. Conservation efforts, such as reducing pollution and managing fishing practices, are crucial to preserving the health of coral reefs. Losing the coral reefs would be a devastating blow to the Pacific and to the planet. The loss of these ecosystems would not only affect marine life, but also the human communities that rely on them for food, income, and coastal protection. Section 5. Giants of the Pacific, whales and more. The Pacific is home to the largest animals on Earth, whales. These magnificent creatures are not just the giants of the ocean, but they are also the gentle giants of our planet. Their sheer size and grace are a testament to the wonders of nature. These majestic creatures migrate thousands of miles across the ocean, following ancient routes. Their migration patterns are a marvel of nature, showcasing their incredible endurance and the mysteries of the deep blue sea. Seeing them in the wild is an awe-inspiring experience. Tourists from around the world flock to witness these gentle giants in their natural habitat, creating memories that last a lifetime. Blue whales, the largest animals ever to have lived, roam the Pacific. These colossal beings can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons, dwarfing even the largest dinosaurs. Humpback whales sing their haunting songs. These melodies can travel for miles underwater, serving as a form of communication and a beautiful symphony of the ocean. Orcas, the ocean's top predators, hunt in coordinated packs. Their intelligence and teamwork make them formidable hunters, earning them the nickname wolves of the sea. Whales are not the only giants. The deep ocean is home to other colossal creatures. Giant squid with eyes as big as dinner plates lurk in the depths. These elusive creatures are rarely seen, adding to the mystique of the ocean's depth. Manta rays with wingspans of up to 23 feet glide gracefully through the water. Their elegant movements are a sight to behold, embodying the beauty and serenity of the ocean. These creatures remind us of the scale and wonder of the Pacific. The ocean is a vast and mysterious world, teeming with life and full of secrets waiting to be discovered. They are a vital part of the ocean's ecosystem and a testament to the power of nature. The delicate balance of marine life is crucial for the health of our planet. Protecting these giants is crucial for the health of the Pacific. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at these incredible creatures and the vibrant ecosystem they inhabit. Section 6. The Pacific's bounty food from the sea. For centuries, the Pacific Ocean has provided sustenance for millions of people. Fish, shellfish and seaweed are staples in the diets of coastal communities around the Pacific Rim. Tuna, salmon and mackerel are just a few of the many fish species that are commercially fished in the Pacific. These fish are a vital source of protein and income for many countries, but overfishing is a growing problem. We're taking fish from the ocean faster than they can replenish themselves. This is putting immense pressure on fish stocks and the entire marine ecosystem. Sustainable fishing practices are essential to ensure that the Pacific continues to provide food for future generations. We must find a balance between our need for food and the ocean's need to thrive. Section 7. The Ocean's Anger, Pacific Storms. The Pacific Ocean is not always calm and serene. It can be a place of immense power and fury. Typhoons, hurricanes and cyclones are all names for the same type of storm, a tropical cyclone. These storms form over warm ocean waters, drawing energy from the heat. They can grow to hundreds of miles wide, with winds exceeding 150 miles per hour. When these storms make landfall, they can cause widespread devastation. High winds, heavy rain, and storm surges can flood coastal communities, destroy homes, and disrupt lives. Climate change is making these storms more intense and more frequent. Warmer ocean temperatures are providing more fuel for these storms to grow. We must prepare for a future with more extreme weather events and work to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Section 8. A plastic problem: pollution in paradise. The idyllic image of the Pacific Ocean is marred by a growing problem: plastic pollution. Every year, millions of tons of plastic enter the ocean, much of it ending up in the Pacific. Plastic bottles, bags, and fishing gear choke the ocean, harming marine life. Turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and ingest them. Seabirds get entangled in fishing nets. Microplastics, tiny pieces of plastic less than 5 millimeters in size, are even more insidious. They are ingested by fish and other marine organisms, entering the food chain. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a swirling gyre of plastic debris twice the size of Texas, is a stark reminder of the scale of the problem. We must reduce our reliance on single-use plastics and improve waste management to stem the tide of plastic pollution. Section 9. Protecting our Pacific: a shared duty. The Pacific Ocean is facing unprecedented threats. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are pushing this vital ecosystem to the brink. But there is still hope. Around the world, people are working to protect the Pacific. Scientists are studying the ocean to understand its complexities and find solutions to the challenges it faces. Governments are establishing marine protected areas, limiting fishing and reducing pollution. Individuals are making changes in their daily lives to reduce their impact on the ocean. We all have a role to play in protecting the Pacific. By working together, we can ensure that this magnificent ocean continues to thrive for generations to come. The future of the Pacific, and indeed the planet, depends on our actions today.